Hi, this is Joshua Crawford, Managing Director of the recruiting firm PROPRIUS. Welcome to the Get Hired Secret Show. On today's show, we will discuss 3 job search tips that will increase your chances for success. Finding a job can be a painful experience. Here are 3 Get Hired secrets that you can do to increase your chances of success. Number 1, approach finding a job as if it were a full-time job, because it is. If you had a job, you would report to work at the same time each day, say around 8 a.m., take an hour for lunch, and quit at the same time each day, say around 5 p.m. You would work 5 days a week, every week, and you would work hard to accomplish as much as you possibly could because your career depended on it. When you are searching for a job, you should follow the same type of schedule because your future depends upon it. Treating your job search like a part-time hobby guarantees that it will take longer for you to get back to work. So begin tomorrow by reporting to work and spending the day on tasks that lead to a new job. Number 2, approach. Finding a job as if it were a project. That means you should set goals for yourself, make plans, and monitor your progress. The sooner you complete it, the sooner you get hired. Number 3, be your own boss. Set expectations for what you need to accomplish. Provide direction and monitor your work. Meet with yourself once a week to evaluate your performance. I recommend doing this by writing 2 reports. The first report is a candid evaluation of your accomplishments during the previous week. The second is a description of your plans for the coming week. Your plan should include your goals, actions, and priorities. The first time that you write these reports, write an evaluation of what you've done so far, describe the results that this effort has produced, and compare these results with what you wanted to get done. Next, map out a realistic plan for the next week based on achievable goals. For example, you could set goals for the number of people you want to call and the amount of research you will conduct. In the coming weeks, compare the results that you obtained during the previous week with the goals that you set. For example, if you plan on applying to 15 companies per week and you only applied to 3, you should A, explain why this happened, and B, plan actions that will correct such a difference. You should also analyze why you missed your goal because this provides insights on what you need to do differently. For example, your goal of applying to 15 companies per week just may have been set too high, or perhaps there are things you can do that will make it easier to achieve your job search goals, such as find an accountability partner, a friend who is also looking for work, so the 2 of you can motivate and support each other. Finding a job is a full-time job. Work through it with a plan and accountability, and you will get hired. For more tips, tricks, and training, check out www.gethiredsecrets.com. Until next time, be safe, be healthy.